Another beautiful evening that we want to make another more money. As you can see, guys, my balance is 32,639,544 million in Kenyan shillings, equivalent to 250,500 USDT. Actually 252,154 USDT. And so guys, on this video today, I'm going to show you how you can trade crypto arbitrage simply, buying low on one exchange and selling high on another exchange. Without wasting time, guys, let's do this practically. And remember to like this video, share to your friends, because if you don't do that, you'll never see this video in your FYP again. So let's do this, guys. And so guys, the first step we need to do, we need to open an account on Trexbic.app. This is the exchange that we are going to use today. And after opening the exchange, guys, the next step again, you need to have your funds on Binance. All right, as you can see, I have already mine. And so let me show you how to make the trade and make the profit. So the first step, after you have your money on your Binance, you need to come after creating an account, click on these three dots. And then guys, you need to go to P2P market and click on buy, choose USDT, guys. And then guys, you need to look for a vendor that has at least 0.8. I'll always ignore 0.9. So I'll use this vendor here called Tendai Moyo, and then I'll click on buy. And then guys, I'm going to put amount which is 500 as the minimum, as the maximum, and you can see the return will be 581. Right, and now I'll click on proceed and I'll click on pay, and you can see the payment has said that on-chain payment. After confirming, you receive a unique deposit address to send your payment to. Once we detect your payment on chain, your USDT will be released automatically, no screenshot needed. And then guys, I'll click confirm order like that, and you can see the order has been confirmed. Now you see they have given me the payment address I need to pay to. So the next step, I need to click on copy this address, and I'll go back to my Binance, and then I'll click on USDT, and then guys, I'll click on send to wallet address, and guys, I'll paste that address here, and then click continue. And then guys, I'm going to put amount I want to send, which is 500, the one that I was buying there, and then I'll click confirm and confirm. So now I'm going to put my passkey. As you can see, the screen is black because I'm putting my passkey, and you can see the withdrawal has been sent. Here it is, has been sent to this address that I copied there. And now the next step, I need to go back to my Binance, to my Trexbic. I need to go back to my Trexbic, guys, here. And then after going back to my Trexbic, I'll have to click on I have paid, like that. And so the guys, after clicking I have paid, the next step to do is to wait for a bit, like 1 to 2 minutes. And you can see the blockchain is monitoring blockchain for payment. This page auto detects when payment is detected. All right, you can also talk to the vendor here, hi, and the vendor will reply, or sometimes they may not. Right, so you can see the vendor has replied. So I'm going to tell the vendor, please release fast. Right, so let me wait for it to be detected here, and the vendor will release. And you can see guys, the trade has been completed automatically. Now the next step, I'll click on done, and you can see the balance now is 705. And so the next step guys is now to do the withdrawal, the cash out. And to do that, you need to click on the three dots here, click on crypto wallet, and then withdraw. And then guys, put the amount you want to withdraw here. For example, I'm going to put the whole that I have made. it's 580, and you can see I'm going to receive 559 after fees. So that's a profit of 59 USDT within just a few minutes. And then guys, I'll click on continue to address, and I'm going to copy now my Binance address. All right, I'm going to click on receive tokens, and copy the address. And then guys, I'll come here and paste my address, and then paste again to confirm. And then guys, I'll click on review, and after reviewing guys, I will receive the verification code here that I need to put. So I'll go to my email, and so you can see guys, this is my verification code for withdrawal. I'll copy it like that, and I'll go back to my Trexbic, and then I'll paste that code, and then I'll confirm the withdrawal. At this level guys, remember everything is automatic. You don't need to do anything manually. After the withdrawal has been submitted, you need also to wait for 1 to 2 minutes for it to confirm. So as you can see, I'm now very patient here, waiting to receive 559.70 on my Binance account with a profit of 59.7 USDT. Remember guys, you can also start with $50, $100, any amount that you are capable of raising. All right, so I'll click now view on Transcan here. You can see, if I view on Transcan here, you can see the withdrawal is on the blockchain and it's successful, and it's not confirmed yet. Remember guys, all fake USDTs, you can't send them to come on the blockchain. This is real. You can't fake the blockchain. The blockchain is real. So whoever thinks that everything is here it's fake, they are the ones who are fake and weak. They can't just be with the reality. And you can see here everything is real. So waiting for the withdrawal to be confirmed to my wallet guys, and then I will show you that it has arrived. And remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only, unless you do exactly what I'm doing. Okay, the withdrawal has been completed. You can see the date, time, and everything is here, 559 after fees. And so the next step guys, before I go, you can see now the balance has remained the way it was. So now I'll go to my Binance and check whether the withdrawal has been credited. Right, so I'll refresh now, and you can see here it is guys, 559.7 has been confirmed and deposited. And you can see now my balance has updated to 32,646.456 thousand. I'm now officially a millionaire guys. I'm officially a millionaire. And that's how the journey has started. And remember, you can also start this journey yourself and do exactly what I'm doing, and make passive income from home with even $100 or $1,000 or even $10,000, depending on how far you are. And also remember guys, you can also trade using AI bots. You can see trading bots are here. You can also come here and trade with them, like this one. It's Neuropulse AI, which is very popular. You can click on copy, and then you put your stake amount here, and then you sign in, you sign your stake. You can see now I don't have the balance in my spot wallet, so I will not show you that trade. However guys, remember to like this video, and God bless you as you watch this video and share to others. See you again in the next video very soon. Cheers. I'm a millionaire.